Hello kids, welcome to my channel. This is black color. Which color? Black color. Let's shapes: square, circle, pentagon, star, triangle, rhombus. Let's draw some shapes. Square, circle, pentagon, star, triangle, rhombus. Hello kids, let's coloring. Pink color, black color, purple color, red color, brown color, blue color, yellow color, light green color, green color. Let's coloring. Pink color, square, brown color, circle, green color, pentagon, yellow color, star, red color, triangle, purple color, rhombus. Hello kids, subscribe to my channel.